Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore. Kadai ke college babhatam nagabanta ka jingkuli nursing but paramedical course. Hospital training. Pinyo scholarship but 6% ka kam. Aki hospital bahedo India but shabarni. Nabanta ka jingkuli ka jingseo ka paret. But pila banleg group ban kuli da ka education loan. Pila aruban chuko lahu number. Kandai nyo sao san riu pranot. Lani kandai pran riu laisan. Arn riwe kandai pra.
Hatu pikwa baki janjong pikin kuit ha benar kam daka Oswell soup hilaban yo na barok kidukan
ka pertai barok kawai ka Rakhe manla usnem haga santarik ujliu kum kasngi ban Pynneh pensa ka Mariang bat yaki saudong saukun jongka kumta ka bor penya district jongka West Giant Hills district ru kala Rakhe yakani kasngi halor kapang beat plastic pollution Kenang ban penduna ya ke jingmi tedam ka office jong DC kala penon kam da ka boss ban kit ya ki sahab bat kinong tray Sorkar ban Leit ke Jingïalang ka balalong ha Bishop's House Lumbi sentu mi mentedu
Landfill, sometimes we think that these are solution, but in my opinion, landfill is not a solution. So I will explain that in the subsequent slides. So only from textile, see how much waste we produce, only from the textile industry. And how much waste we recycle? Less than 10%, less than 20%. And of course, the billing is plastic. Okay. So next please. So this is the World Bank figures. These are World Bank figures. 1.3 billion ton of solid municipal waste generated each year, and then it's expected to increase by 2.2 billion by 2025. So it's all due to our unsound management of our waste, because everybody generates waste.
We can avoid, especially when we have children, toddlers, small young children, small babies and toddlers in the house. Don't give them plastic. They take plastic and they try to bite on the plastic toys, especially toys. Those microplastics will enter the system. Microplastics will enter the system. And then nowadays, toys, if they're not made of plastic, they won't play with those things. Make them something made of wood. Something they will not touch them. Unicorn, pepper pig, and all those things. They won't come in wood. They'll come in plastic only. But we have to make sure that they don't take those plastics and bring them close to their mouths. So we can have a light, right? Manusia begini. Jika ada kerana kita bangun jual bangun whatever. We have to take care, and that slab is biodegradable. So whatever meat, vegetables, this slab we buy from the market in a plywood is made of cloth. Bring it home. Our parents, mother, grandmother, the leaves they put in one place and it's collected, and that leaf is then just thrown in mountain because I see it. And it's okay, because that leaf will decompose by itself. It's alright. Then plastic came in the picture. I remember how plastic came in because I can recollect that the first plastic bags that we were carrying those days was Bombay dry clean. And we used to go to college, put our books there, and put our bag here, and we go to college. We were reusing that time also, which is good. And then this is very interesting actually. Plastic was introduced to the world to save the environment. Actually, that was why plastics were. You know why? Because so that we don't cut down trees anymore to make paper bags. If we cut down trees, to make paper bags, we'll have to cut trees. The paper bags are made from trees. Then to address that, like the right thinkers and scientists of those days said, okay, let us make plastic bags so that we don't have to cut down trees anymore. Then plastic became a Frankenstein because it cannot be, it's not biodegradable. It's everywhere. There was an idea not too long ago also to make boards, mixed with plastic, to make mixed with plastic. Unless and until there's a foolproof way to make those roads with plastic, that we are making sure that plastic component in the roads, they don't break away and go into the soil. Promise ourselves individually and collectively that we will make a difference for us, the present people, the present generation. Why? Because of the future generation. I know humans, maybe they'll evolve, maybe one fine day they won't need oxygen to breathe anymore, they need carbon dioxide to breathe. But then until that time, I don't want to see people suddenly having high risk, high cases of suffering from various ailments because of us only, of which we could have prevented from the start. So that is my take on this whole environment day, my message. I will not take long also because the day has taken a long toll on all of us as we have other issues also. But this thing, I will greet World Environment Day again to all of us. But we will still wait till that day when we can finally say Happy World Environment Day.